Hey, welcome guys to another tutorial. Now, I've made some significant changes in the weapon, like movements and stuff like that, and I've been working on it. Now, I haven't done the quaternions yet, so it'll be a little off, but it's coming very, very soon. I'm testing things out for the rotational values. Now, the reason why I'm bringing you this update is because the placement itself and pickups are starting to work and a variety of things, but I haven't integrated them into the kit that you'll probably have yet because debugging takes time and things. Now, if you haven't seen my previous video about commenting, like the upgraded version of commenting and things, I encourage you to see it because this is going to make it a lot easier to find stuff in scripts in other classes. But here's the thing. We're going to get out of this, and it also explains why your bullets are probably doing that little flicker thing and how to fix it. Notice that they don't do it anymore. Well, the reasons in the video before this, which will probably be uploaded not long from now. It's actually uploading right now as we're speaking. But in this weapon script, we have our lovely. This is for adding ammo and other variety of things. Now, the commenting itself hasn't been upgraded too much yet because I'm still making changes myself. And I will be having melee fighting pretty soon. I'm actually working on that right now. This isn't anywhere near done for this script. This is actually another one that I just used for a tutorial. But in this script, we used to use this, and we used to lerp all the time. And I explained why this is important, is because we want our weapon to be placed where we want. Now, the reason why I didn't like it is because it's lerping like all the time, like really badly. Now, if you see this right here, if we move it a little bit, it becomes unpaused and it goes right back to it. Now, if you look at the rotation, it's always lerping around and stuff. And, this might be something that you want or might not. But if you need a linear, like, interpolation to a specific vector 3, okay, a specific place, then you might like this function a lot more. Now, this is based on distance. Well, this one isn't. Huh. Well, I need to put this on distance anyway. I'll be changing this code, but why do I have distance in there? Oh, this is the wrong code. But it still gives you the example anyway. Because here's the thing is, I'm calculating distance right here. Why didn't I... If distance is less than, let's say, 0.01, then we will do this right here. Now this will only execute at a certain time when distance is, greater or less than, the whole. It will only execute it then. Now, if we come into here, let it do its compiling thing and all that cool stuff. Blah, blah, blah. I know it hasn't been assigned. I'm working on it. Okay. Hit awake. Now, because, well, that's case 3, isn't it? Move toward rest position. And we need to put this in the resting position. Case 1. Case 1. This is for rest position 2. Okay. So we'll put it in here. Bloop. Let's just debug right in the middle of trying to explain why you do it this way. There. Yeah, cool. Let it compile because we should. Nah. It'll do that. Now, the reason why we do it this way is because we want like a distance-based thing. Okay, if it's and I broke something. Sweet. Okay, distance is less. Wait a minute. I think I have it backwards. I always seem to do that too. Yeah, it's backwards. So if distance is less than, yeah, I knew I'd have that backwards. Or is it backwards? Well, we'll find out in a minute. Yeah, let's just debug it. Boom, 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 boom. Come on, compile. You take slow. Okay, now see how that interpolated all the way into the position that I wanted? And that is because we use move toward. Now it will move toward this exact vector 3 pretty much. And you'll look into here. I always have debug mode, but I put it private. I shouldn't. See this distance? It's 0. Okay. Local position. Now the distance will be greater than that. Then it'll interpolate, and then it stops. So the position isn't being constantly lurked around, moving and all that stuff. So if this doesn't evaluate it to a certain, if it calculates it, and then it goes yes or no. It only moves if it has to. This calculation right here is comparing 2 vector 3s. Very minimal, and it actually is less. It's actually less. Now, it's not vector 3.lerp, it's vector 3 toward, move toward. Okay? Now, you'll go step, and this is based on time delta time. So it's frame rate dependent as well. So, and you go through and you change codes in our little switch statement and stuff, and we'll still have this and all that cool stuff. But yeah, this right here will be zooming states and everything else. This replaces lerp. Because I'll show you what lerp does all the time. And this is why I don't like using lerp in some cases. This is what lerp is like. What we used to have. It was very hard to debug and play stuff because of it moving all the time. And lerp will act exactly like this. And you probably noticed it, and it's now. Maybe I can't get. Huh. Well, that's weird. Or is it doing. Oh, well. Whatever. I like move toward better. I think it just works a little better. But, I guess both of them would be fine. But I'm going to use move toward because I like comparing the distance one time on the calculation and have it lerp all the time. It may make it easier later. But I just wanted to push that out toward you guys and see what you guys think.